So you've moved to Wales. Lesson 1. Learning Welsh, the Welsh alphabet. There are 29 letters. There are 7 vowels, a, e, I, o, e, u, e. There are 22 consonants and there are 8 double letters amongst those. The good news is that they are almost always sounding the same. So what have we got? We've got the vowels a, e, I, o, e, u, e. As you can see, e and e, the letter I and the letter U, have the same sound. Unless you're in North Wales, then the letter U can sound a little different. But we won't go there right now. So we've got a, e, o, e, u, e. Those are the Welsh vowels. The rest of the Welsh alphabet: b, c, ech, as in Loch Ness. Okay, that sound is in your throat there. Ech. D, as in dance. The double D is like the in the. Then you've got these two sounds, the single F and the double F. The single F is like a V sound, as in of, and the double F is like a double F in off. G, as in gasp. As in ring and hang and long. H, as in hat. J, as in jam. L, as in love. And then you've got the tricky sound, but it's really quite easy, as in Llanelli, the double L. Llanelli. We'll come to that again in a second. M, n, p, and then f is like the double F sound, but it's like in physical. Then you've got r, as in rain, and you've got the RH sound like in Rhys, the boy's name Rhys. S, as in same, t, as in tea, and th, as in thin. So there you go. A little bit more help on how to say double L. Now then, I'm going to open up this lady's video here. This is Gwyneth Angharad, and she does a very good job of telling us how to pronounce the double L. So please click on the link in the description and listen to her tell you how to pronounce the double L, which is basically just like saying an L, but blowing around the tongue. Llanelli. Have a look at her video, it's very good. So moving back to the presentation. This is Cymraeg Extra. If you want to know a little bit more about Welsh, there's an emphasis in words. So if you look down here, we've got Cymru, hanes, anhygoel, canolfan, bendigedig, mathemateg. The emphasis is on the last but one syllable, the penultimate syllable in words generally. Okay, and we call it a goben. So the goben gives you the emphasis. Cymru, which means Wales. Hanes, which means history. Anhygoel, which means amazing. Canolfan, which means centre. Bendigedig, which means wonderful. Mathemateg, which means mathematics. Moving on. Try pronouncing some of these words then, okay? These are the colours in Welsh, and they've got a lot of different sounds. Let's pronounce them together. After me. Coch. Melyn. Oren. Gwyrdd. Porffor. Arian. Glas. D. Gwyn. Llwyd. Aur. Efydd. Okay, so try those again. Rewind the video, try them again to practice. So, a writing task. Make a poster of the alphabet for your wall. Why not? Something like this, perhaps. Use this online dictionary. The link is in the video description. And download the app too on your phone if you wish. It's very handy. Okay, so that is the University of Wales Dictionary, where you can find out any Welsh word at all. So, da iawn, well done. You are now on your way to speaking Welsh. Da iawn. Well done.